Hello, welcome back. In this video I will introduce you about global variable. Global variables are those variables which are declared outside of all the test cases or objects or functions. It can be accessed by any test cases or objects present in the project. Once we declare a global variable, its value can be used in different test case. If there is any changes in the application, we just need to change value in global variable instead of changing each test case. Global variables are mostly used in project and useful where all the test cases or objects need to use the same data. Now, I will create an example test case using global variables. This is test case login to a web page. We must input a URL to open browser steps, then input values for email and password. We input value directly into input column of each step. Take a look at this test case. You absolutely can run this test case immediately. That's no wrong. However, to save time, and sometime you cannot remember exactly value of each input values. Global variable in this situation is useful for storing your data which are reused many times. Click on global variable on the top of project tree. Create variables which you want to reuse in many test case. In this case, I create variables for URL, email, password. For each variable, input correct value for them. I also want to create more variables named wait time, which is for inputting in timeout parameter of some steps. Click Save button to save our variables. Back to test case, I will replace all value by global variables. I will call the URL global variable by syntax. Global URL. Next is value for timeout to wait element visible. Replace this value by email global variable. Do the same with email and password. Click Save button and run test case. You can see the report. All value URL, timeout, email, password has been entered. So, in this video I have introduced you what is global variable and how to apply them. See you in the next video.